If you're burnt out right now, you probably feel weak, drained, like you failed. But what if burnout was actually making you stronger? Here are 5 ways burnout transforms you from the inside out. And number 3 will change how you see your limits forever. 1. You learn to protect your energy. Before burnout, you believed you should always push harder, work longer, do more, never stop. But burnout forces a new truth. You have limits. And protecting those limits isn't weakness, it's the strength to survive. Sound familiar? 2. You build real resilience. Recovery from burnout isn't easy. It forces you to slow down, face what hurts, and rebuild step by step. But through that process, you gain real resilience. Not the fake strength that burns you out, but steady strength that helps you handle life's challenges without breaking. Here's what most people miss. 3. You master the power of no. Burnout often comes from too many yeses, too many obligations, not enough space for yourself. Burnout teaches you this. Saying no isn't selfish. It's how you protect your time and energy, like saying no to that extra project when you're already overwhelmed. Every no to what drains you is a yes to what restores you. But the biggest transformation is coming. 4. You find your true purpose. When burnout strips away the noise, the distractions, the unnecessary stress, you're left with one question. What truly matters to me? Answering that brings clarity of purpose. Living aligned with your values creates inner stability that no external success can replace. And this leads to the most important strength of all. 5. You develop self-compassion. The greatest strength burnout offers is self-compassion. You stop treating yourself like a machine. You start honoring your needs, respecting your emotions, and caring for yourself with kindness. This compassionate relationship with yourself becomes the foundation for every other form of strength. Burnout isn't breaking you. It's rebuilding you stronger. Which of these 5 strengths resonates most with your experience? Comment the number below. I read every single response. And if you want more burnout recovery content that actually helps, hit subscribe. Your healing journey matters, and you're not walking it alone.